The following message is transmitted at the request of the Hutchinson County Emergency Management Office. This morning, Texas Gas Service was notified of a restriction on the pipeline that supplies natural gas to our customers in portions of our Borger service area that caused an unexpected interruption of service. The natural gas system that serves this portion of Borger service area has been temporarily shut down so that the situation can be corrected. With colder conditions, the gas company is working as quickly and as safely as possible to restore the distribution system to the impacted areas. The gas company is mobilizing extra crews from around the state of Texas as well as an Oklahoma division, Oklahoma Natural Gas, in an effort to restore natural gas service. Borger Office of Emergency Management is setting up a warming station in Borger at the Johnson Park Youth Center at 1201 Bulldog. The phone number is 806-273-0987, and they are prepared to house and feed people. The American Red Cross is also on site and available. Texas Gas Service will provide updates to this outage as they develop and are available.